Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. This is going to be a funny one, bit of deja vu, because I just did a video on this vehicle with some really important information, so sit tight. But what I didn't do, I didn't include the most important bit of information I can include, and I didn't want it to be at the end, because I know all these people that think they're busy, they only hang around for, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 2 minutes, I don't know. But the key thing here is awesome information. You need to make sure you've got that subscribe turn on, the bell on, so you get the next important bit of information without delay. There's about one video a day. They go for about 10 minutes. Put that 10 minutes a day aside. It's normally going to come out around dinner time, so you can watch yesterday's video during the day, or you can watch today's video after dinner or while you're having dinner. Some people love it as soon as they get home. Anyway, good information. So this video is going to go, it's just a short little introduction, and I just want to mention right now, parts day is Monday, and we only work school hours, so not weekends. There's no pickups or drop-offs on weekends. There's no pickups or drop-offs after hours unless you don't want to see me. We like to see people. If I'm going to work on your vehicle, I like to discuss and understand exactly what your needs are, to know exactly what you want done, so we can make sure it's done to exactly what you want. But then most people say, I trust your judgment, you know what to do whatever you want, because that's what we do. I'm only going to recommend you things on your car, the same as what I do on my car, based on my knowledge and my level of intelligence. So, but being anyway, we'll whack that video together. Sit tight, subscribe, turn the bell on. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. See you guys. Anthony 4x4 Diesel. I apologise for the wind. We're just doing our B.F.E. For those people that missed it, B.F.E, big front engine. We've got a kit for that, the big front engine kit. Check out the video. Search our playlist, how to buy my kits. Check out the playlist. Anything with the word B.F.E in it. I'll give you a quick rundown on what it is. You can see everything's nice and clean, because that's what we've done. We're working on it. We include cleaning the exterior core of the radiator here while it's in the vehicle. You have to excuse me today. I think I got COVID-19. It was a little bit funny this one, a little bit scratchy in the throat, and just before I had a bit of a, when you get something in your throat, a bit of a, coughing fit, so get tested. Anyway, back on channel here. So the B.F.E kit consists of the timing belt, the idler, that's that assembly there, the tensioner, that's underneath there, the cam seal goes in behind there. As we say in our videos, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We include it in the kit, because if you pull it apart and you see oil sweats down underneath here, you're going to need to want to replace that. Another quick tip for those watching, if you do see that oil sweat, make sure you crack this bolt loose from here before you remove the belt. That way you're not going to mess up your timing or accidentally turn the camshaft. There is an area in the engine you can take all this off to hold the camshaft, but I can tell you now, that is quite difficult compared to leaving this belt on here, and then you can just crack that loose and it doesn't go anywhere. That's what I do, it works for me. You can hold it with the 22mm on the crankshaft down there, right? I'm not telling you how to do the job in this video. It takes more time than that. That's why you get in the VIP group. Anyone that's purchased parts, been to the Prado hospital, you can join the VIP group, okay? If you're not sure, send me a text message. What about the VIP group? And I'll quickly send you the details. Now, what else is in there? So that's the timing belt kit side of it. There's a water pump in there, and there's all the bearings, genuine. So we kept the genuine idler pulleys, right? There's 5 bearings that we're replacing those pulleys, and a brand new drive belt. The drive belt stretches. We don't see them break, they just stretch type thing, which hasn't caused any issues, okay? We know that you can have a belt that's probably 15 mil longer or even longer, and it doesn't cause any issues. It's just sometimes the belt's very dry as well. They can make some noise once they get wet, like these bearings. So everything we put in the kit, sorry about the wind, I don't know how it's working out, but we're going to roll with it anyway. Everything we put in the kit, we put it in there for a reason. It's either recommended by Toyota for preventive maintenance, or we go above and beyond what I recommend, preventive maintenance, right? So we give it all a good clean up. We don't just leave it dirty, we don't just wipe it, we don't just blow it. This all gets washed down. It's starting from zero position, fresh, nice clean radiator. Look at that, this is it's a bunch of mini, so what is it? It's 09 it is, June 09. You know what, the vehicle's 12 years old. Look at the condition of it, right? That's how we keep things. This is a fairly low K, 50,000 Ks, that probably helps a bit as well. Sorry about the wind, but these B.F.E jobs we do out the wind, because even though we drain the coolant, afterwards, coolant can just end up leaking out different areas, whatever. So we just like it, mate. It's a nice sunny day out here. There's a bit of sun there at the moment. It's not that warm, but not bad. Now, when you do this, it's good when you unplug the coolant temperature sensor to get that out of the way, so you don't break that or anything. You put the plug up here. Don't forget that when you put it all back together, because it kind of blends in up there. So whatever you do, plug that in before you start the car, or you might have a little heart palpitations or something because you forgot that. What else can I tell you about this job? To drain the coolant, there's a plug on the bottom of the radiator. Depends if it's a 120 or a 150. In this case, the 120, it's down the bottom. It's a white plug. We just take it right out. There's also another block plug down near the oil filter. It's a little 10mm brass down near the oil filter under there. You'll find it. It's a bit hard to see. It's on the oil cooler housing. So where your oil filter goes, that goes into an oil cooler, that alloy section that's bolted on the side of the block. Here you go. Bonus information. Education, right? There's a little brass, and it's a tapered seat, so you don't take it all the way. You just undo it a turn until you see it run out. That drains the block. But if you're doing the water pump, all the coolant's going to run at the front there anyway. You never get it all out anyway. Don't try and flush it unless you've got a problem with your cooling system, because you could introduce bad water and you never get it all out. So what we recommend is, once the vehicles are older like this, drop and refill your coolant every, I'll say, about 2 years. You know, you want to leave it longer, leave it longer. I wouldn't suggest doing it any sooner. 2 years is any less than 2 years is a waste. Now, the first lot, it can last 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, whatever you want, because all the materials are new and fresh. Like I said, you don't get it all out. Use the brand new Toyota Super Life coolant. Then we're all using the same stuff. There's no mixes, because that can be the biggest problem. Anyway, just wanted to give you a short video letting you know. B.F.E job. The kit current price is $7.26 express post to your door. Part stays Monday. Text me from 7:30 a.m. Please understand, if I do get a lot more orders, I'm not even going to fit it all in Monday. Please don't send me a text message about parts any other day but Monday, unless you absolutely have to urgently, because we're busy doing jobs like this. I can't keep stopping doing this to get some orders to do parts. Monday is parts day. If we get too much on Monday, we'll get helpers in to help to get it all sorted on Monday. What else? Yeah, so $7.26 delivered to your door, express post. That's all that gear you need, and access to the VIP group with the video, so you can see how to do it yourself, so you don't have to take it into any butchers to get your car butchered up anymore. And you may or may not know about that. That's in other videos as well. Just watch all the videos on the channel, get yourself educated, get on channel, and you'll be on channel. Labour side of it, look, you know, it depends if it's a Prado or a Hilux and what other obstacles we've got that are in our way doing this job and any complications, but I would generally budget about $1,500 to $2,000 for this job supplied and fitted. It's a big job, not as big on the ones with a two-piece pump where we just get to the front, but if it's a one-piece pump, you watch our videos, you know what I'm talking about. The compressor has to come off, the alternator has to come off, the whole backing plate of the time belt has to come off, and that's why we recommend just changing the water pump, because if you just do your timing belt and then your water pump leaks, then you've got to pull that off again to do it. It's just ridiculous, right? We convert it over to a two-piece pump, so if your water pump leaks, then that part there, that's the only part you've ever got to change. Your timing belt can stay there, and you just undo the 6 bolts. There's a bit more work involved than that, but you know, as this picture is like that. Coolant, again, the water pumps, they don't last till 300,000 k's usually. Sometimes they do, but not usually, which means if you do it at 150, it's going to last to 150. You know, every bearing on the front of the engine that's turning 150,000 k's, maybe 150 with dust, dirt, water, mud, all that sort of thing. You just don't know. The only thing we don't replace is the alternator as preventative maintenance, because that seems that, you know, spending that sort of money with genuine is best. Once again, see, bonus info, people ask what sort of alternator should I use. Genuine, okay, oh, genuine, Denso, whatever. Sometimes we can supply those if you need one. You can try me, but you need to be patient, because it's not something we keep on the shelf, so we're going to have to check availability, and I'll need a photo with a part number, so you need to get down there on the side of the alternator. Yours will have a part number on it, so send me your vehicle details, month and year, whatever, what engine it is, and the part number that you've got off the alternator, and I can try and get a price and availability for you. If you're getting prices elsewhere, include your price, so then I know if it's a waste of time, because you've already got some awesome price better than what I can get, and of course then I can, if I need to, I can try and beat it. But we're not here to be the cheapest, we're here to be the best. We're going to supply you the right kits, the right parts, the right information the first time. That's how we roll. If you're going to do it once, if you're going to do it, you may as well do it properly, do it right the first time, and that's what we're into. We're into prevention, we're not into waste. We're not going to recommend you to buy or replace anything you don't need to replace. It's just ridiculous.